Hey everybody, Tyler here, Boulevard Home. I'm talking appliances again today, and we're talking induction cooktops. Induction is a newer technology, but it is amazing. So watch as we demonstrate what induction is and how it works. So to start off, what is induction? Induction is a newer technology, but if you see an induction cooktop, it looks very similar to your traditional electric range cooktop. However, the technology is completely different. Instead of running on elements, heating elements that take a while to heat up, temperatures are inconsistent, induction cooktops are ran on a technology using magnets. That magnetic energy that takes place makes cooking more efficient, more accurate, and 100 times better. So one difference with induction cooktops is it does take a certain type of cookware, and because it's magnets, what you need to do is make sure magnets connect to your cookware, and then you'll know it works. So I have a magnet here. This is a simple test. All you need to do at home to find out if your pots are compatible with induction is find a magnet, stick it on the bottom. If it sticks, it's gonna work with induction. If it doesn't, you're gonna have to find some pots that do. Okay, right now in front of me, we've got our pot of water. We've just filled up. It is sitting on an induction cooktop. This is an amazing cooktop. This is done by Thermador. It is a Freedom induction cooktop. On this cooktop specifically, when you turn it on, it will sense where your pot is. So if you can look at the control panel, it tells you where it's at. Currently it says it's right here. I can move it around and it detects it. One of the best benefits about induction is heat does not radiate from the cooktop. Heat goes directly into the pot, so there's very little energy released into the house, so your house will not get as hot as you may feel with electric or gas. Heat doesn't escape, and it's 50% more efficient and quicker than a gas cooktop is. You can keep your hands on the induction cooktop anywhere, even where the pot is, you can put it there. There's no heat coming out of the cooktop. So to summarize today, the benefits of induction cooking that we do not get from the other cooking methods is first, it's precision. You can get temperatures exactly where you want them to be. Cleanup is amazing because the surfaces of the cooktop do not heat up, food does not spill and it gets stuck onto the surface of the cooktop. You also have the energy efficiency, much more energy efficient. All you need for an induction cooktop is a 220 to 240 volt outlet, so you don't need anything special outside of what you already have for your current range. And my favorite thing is the speed at cooking. It's going to save you so much time, meal prep, because induction cooking cooks water or boils water 50% faster than you'll find on gas. Thanks for watching today. Hopefully you enjoyed the information we gave you about induction cooking. Watch our other videos as you see the comparison between induction, gas, and also if you've loved this video, subscribe Boulevard Home or ring the bell to get notifications, and thank you for watching.